Now, class 8 students, today I will give some MCQ multiple choice question from chapter 2. Okay, now see here, reciprocal of 1 by 3 to the power minus 5 is what? Suppose you are given 4 options here. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 to the power minus 5 is 1 by 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power minus 5, none of these. So, you have to write one option from here. Now, reciprocal of solution I am showing 1 by 3 to the minus 5 is 1 by 3 to the minus 5, because reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 like this. 1 by 3 to the minus 5. So 1 by 3 to the minus 5 will be 3 to the power 5. It will be positive. If you will eat, it will go up. So 1 by 3 to the power 5 or 3 to the minus 5. So option will be what? Which one? 1 by 3 to the power 5. You have to write 1. Option will be 1 by 3 to the power 5. This is the option. Now, value of minus 1 to the power twice n into minus 1 to the power twice n plus 1. N is any natural number. Then value is what? Minus 1 to the power twice n, minus 1 to the power twice n plus 1. Just I will give one example. If you put n equal 1 here, 2 1s are 2, minus 1 square. If you put 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, it will be 3. If you put 2, it will be 4. If you put 2, it will be 5. 3, if you put 3, 3 to the 6. If you put 3 at 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. For any natural number n, twice n plus 1 will be odd. And twice n is always even. You remember it, minus 1 whole to the power even number is always plus 1. And minus 1 to the power odd number is always minus 1. Now, so answer is given here, options are given minus 1, 1, minus 1 to the power n, and none of these. Now, if you see here, minus 1 to the power twice n, always this one even number. So minus whole to the power even number is, sign will be always positive. Sign will be always positive. And minus 1 whole to the power twice n plus 1. So it will be odd number. It is odd number. So it will be minus 1. So it will be plus 1, it will be minus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 equal minus 1. So options, if you see the options, first option is minus 1. So you put here one question number, answer minus 1. You write the option and write the answer also. Now next question. Minus 1 to the power 1 by minus 1, a to the power minus 1 by b to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. A to the power minus 1 by b to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 is equal to a by b, b by a by b whole to the minus 1, none of these. These options are given. Now, I'll do a calculation, simplification. A to the power minus 1, b to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. A to the power minus 1 equal 1 by a, b to the power minus 1 equal 1 by b. Whole to the power minus 1. 1 by a, if you multiply it, it will be b by 1. It will be reciprocal. B will go up, 1 will go down. So 1 by a into b by 1 whole to the power minus 1. So it is b1 ja b, a1 ja a. Now b by a whole to the power minus 1. So if you do reciprocal a by b, if you make a by b, it will be plus 1. So ultimately result is a by b. Now option you see from here, a by b, b by a, these are the options. So first option is correct only. This is the correct option, a by b. So you cannot assume it. First you have to calculate it. And there are some so easy questions. Directly you can calculate in mind also, that and that question you can write directly. But some questions you have to do calculation, simplify it. Now question number 4. A to the power m plus n is multiplied by a to the power minus bracket m plus n. Then its value be a to the power twice m plus twice n, a to the power 1, only 1, none of these. Now these are the options. From these options you have to write one correct option. Which one correct option? Now calculation I am showing. A to the power m plus n is multiplied by a to the power minus bracket m plus n. Now I am writing here a to the power m plus n into a to the power minus bracket m plus n. Now a to the power m plus n plus bracket minus m plus n. Because when base are same, then we should add the power. So m plus n plus bracket minus bracket m plus n. So a to the power m plus n minus plus minus m minus n. Minus is before m and n both. So minus m minus n. Plus m minus m cancel. Plus n minus n cancel. A to the power 0. A to the power 0 equal 1. Anything to the power 0 equal 1. You remember it? Anything to the power 0 equal 1. Now, option will be what? You see the options from here. Options are given a to the power twice m plus twice n, a to the power 1, 1. So answer is 1. So you write the option Roman 3, 1. You write the option this one. Now, question number 5. Multiplicative inverse of a by b whole to the power minus 7 whole to the power minus 1. So multiplicative inverse means what? When you multiply two numbers and result becomes 1, then one number is multiplicative inverse of other. For example, suppose a is multiplicative inverse of 1 by a, or 1 by a is multiplicative inverse of a, because a into 1 by a equal 1. Here also you have to write one number here such that this into that number becomes 1. Now options are given here. Now we'll do calculation this one. A by b whole to the power minus 7 whole to the power minus 1. So minus minus plus, power upon power you have to multiply. 7. A by b whole to the power 7. Calculation is a by b whole to the power 7. So to get 1, we have to multiply with this one, b by a whole to the power 7. B by a whole to the power 7. If you multiply reciprocal of this number, if you multiply with this reciprocal of this number, then you will get 1. So reciprocal of this number is multiplicative inverse of this. So multiplicative inverse of this we can write b by a whole to the power 7. If you write here a by b whole to the power minus 7, then also it will be correct. So therefore correct option is b by a whole to the power 7. In someone will write this one like this, a by b whole to the power minus 7, then also correct, because a by b whole to the power plus 7 into a by b whole to the power minus 7, if you multiply it, then it becomes 1, because plus 7 minus 7 becomes 0. A by b whole to the power 0 equal 1. So ultimately it will be 1. So you can write like this also, a by b whole to the power minus 7 or b by a whole to the power plus 7. This is the answer.